Last movement screen that we're going to look at. I'm just crawling here on the ground, preparing myself to show you the awesomeness of this last one. This is called our anterior hip screen. All right, this is going to tell us if the front of your hips are tight. So the way this works is that I'm going to have you just lie on your stomach and pull your heel to your butt. Again, if this is an issue, I want you to do the front of the hip routine. Okay, it'll be labeled that in our program. The way this works, I'm going to come onto my stomach like this. Right, notice my back is flat against the ground, all right? I want to try to get my heel to my butt. It should come within maybe like a fist length of my butt, right? So I would have what I consider a failing test, right? In front of my hips are tight, all right? And here's the deal. As you're coming back, you'll find that sometimes your hips are going to raise up. That's a tell for a tightness in your hips, okay? So again, if you can bring your heel all the way to your butt, it's easy. Or, within, say, like a fist length, you're good. That's a passing test. However, if you cannot, we're going to perform the front of the hip routine, okay? And again, one side is good, one side is not. Perform more work on the bad side, and that's how we roll.